Unexpected thing happened after this ferret seemed to be dead. When the cat came in and saw his friend not moving at all, you could tell by the look in her eyes how sad she got. She didn't know what to do without him. The cat refused to eat, not even her favorite treats. She stayed depressed all day, missing her best friend. All of a sudden, the ferret popped up to drink some water. The thing is, ferrets seem dead when they're in a deep sleep. So when the cat was lying, she looked at him once, but it didn't hit her. Until she looked once more to make sure it was real. She panicked when she knew he came back to life. She was staring at him with confusion, curiously wondering how he's alive. Now, they are back to their everyday fights. If you find them adorable, subscribe.